The challenges of patriarchal Christianity. Christianity plays a fundamental role in the lives of millions of people across the globe. Between 2007 and 2014, approximately 173 million Americans identified as Christian. In 2014, about 36 million Americans categorized themselves as mainline Protestants, 62 million as evangelical Protestants, 51 million as Catholic, and 16 million belonging to historically Black Protestant traditions. During the same time frame, 56 million people reported that they had no religious affiliation. Religion is a topic that is either embraced or avoided. For some, it is a source of spiritual enlightenment and security. Others find their lives humbled by servitude to a greater power and a greater predestined purpose. Families and communities value the laws, lessons, and morals taught by the various religious sectors. Even with all of the positive benefits that come with religious membership, some argue that traditional religious values influence patriarchal governance and result in oppression towards women. Traditional conservative Christian churches often uphold dichotomous thinking in regards to the roles assigned to men and women. Restrictive norms placed on men and women are common, especially when it comes to family dynamics. Certain responsibilities are designated to either men or women, for example, child rearing and activity in the workforce. This presents an issue for homosexual individuals who challenge the dichotomy of heterosexual family systems. Sexuality is also targeted by religion. Conservative Christian femininity, in which married, heterosexuality, chastity, and appropriate conduct and body presentation are key aspects to beliefs and values. In her writing, Rosemary Radford Ruether stated that Christianity has a problem with God, or rather its ideas about God. Traditional Christian views of God are androcentric. God is identified as male. In this context, maleness is considered to be more godlike than femaleness. Homosexuality threatens the traditional concept of heterosexual hierarchy with some branches of Christianity. This can result in patterns of hypermasculinity and a strong presence of patriarchy, sexism, and heterosexism. Male headship, spiritual responsibility, and financial decision-making are frequent themes found within evangelical families. Ideologies that sanction male dominance have also been linked to domestic violence. There is a social hierarchy within some religious institutions that allows freedom and spiritual favor for men, but is limiting to women in their roles within the church, the community, and their families. It is important to remember that the texts and teachings critical to religious values and laws are interpretations written by scribes who served ancient aristocracies. There is certainly room for human error and societal influence when interpreting the text. 1 out of 4 women in the U.S. will experience severe physical violence by the hands of an intimate partner. Religious beliefs may act as a barrier for women wanting to leave. The sanctity of marriage causes complex issues. Although regular religious attendance is linked to the absence of partner violence, according to self-reports given by men, that link weakens significantly when the man's partner is asked to report violence in the relationship. Many young women who belong to Christian churches are taught that they are accountable to their church. Their sexual decisions are not their own, but belong to the community. Choosing to have sex in marriage is tied to the confidence they have in the boundaries set by their Christian faith. Social workers should remember that religion is important to many people. There is a sense of comfort and connection for one who is committed and tied to their faith. Religion and a person's faith might play critical roles in the mental health and well-being of any given individual. Therefore, it is crucial for professionals to recognize the intimate meaning of a person's religion while carefully working through any issues that may arise from membership to a church or congregation. Cultural competence is key. It is a harsh statement to say that all religion is bad, but we know that some sectors of various denominations are more conservative or extreme in their belief systems. We might not be able to fix all the wrongs in any religious institution, but we can work to empower individuals and provide helpful resources if needed.